show you how the adaptive cruise control works. So I'm stuck in some traffic here outside of LA, in between San Diego. So if you look at the top left, the car is set at 78 miles per hour, but I'm going 24 based on the cars in front of me. This guy just hit his brakes, so I'm doing 33. The car will come to an almost complete stop if need be. It will actually come to a complete stop. It's kind of relaxing. You don't have to be on and off the brake all the time. So here we go. This car is going to come all the way to 0. So now it actually drove itself. So I didn't do that at all. I have not touched the gas. Find this very, very convenient. Again, I'm set at 78 because we were cruising with traffic on the 15. As these guys slow up, hit their brakes, or if I happen to switch lane where the cars are going faster, the car will actually go faster. Here I go again, slowing down. This guy slammed on his brakes a little hard there. This car will go down and it's going to accelerate itself. This guy just cut in front of me, so the car stopped accelerating as much. I find this to be a pretty cool feature and a little high tech for this car. Oops. So see, my speed's picking up all by itself. My foot is chilling down the floor. So it'll continue speed. Now you can, there's 2 green arrows on it right now. This button right here, I can increase them. So I'll actually stay further away from that car, or I can decrease it down to 1 by pressing this lower button. And now it's gonna have less of a space in between the cars. So again, I haven't touched the throttle the whole time. And if I do the lane too, I'll show you that. So if I hit that line, the car just steered me back in place. So I'll do it again, watch. The car is gonna steer itself. It just did it right there. It tells me keep in my lane. And those are pretty two cool features of this car. So it's gonna happen again. And now I got a message asking me, what are you doing? You wanna pull over? You wanna take a break? So that's it. So this car just pulled out in front of me. See? So I got the beep. This thing turned red. It's giving me a warning that potential accident could have happened there. Anyways, that's it for now. Subscribe to our channel for more features, tips and tricks on 2020 Toyota Supra. Thanks, guys.